Hey all, this is a different kind of video for me. Normally I'm doing bicycle stuff or chopping down trees or out in the woods hunting. But this one, I'm kind of fed up with YouTube and hey, here's how to fix this. So I'm gonna have you come along with me while we take a look at this Cub Cadet of mine that has a solenoid that's bad, and we're gonna replace it. So start off, I went out there just like everybody else, and I looked at everybody's YouTubes, and then seen where the solenoid was, and went and checked online to make sure I got the right solenoid. Found that mine has a different solenoid than most of them through Cub Cadet's webpage. Looked up the part specifically, got it ordered up, got it in, went to change it, went to look for it, and, well, let me just show you. So here's my Cub Cadet XT2 Enduro series, fuel injected, 46-inch deck. Does not have the standard. Ooh, it's dirty. Gonna have to clean that. Does not have the standard Kawasaki or the other one, Kohler. It's got the Cub Cadet specific V-twin 679cc. Man, that is dirty. I'll take care of that. Okay, let's take a look here. So it already disconnected the battery. Pull the battery out. Take a look, and just give you the model number. Here's the model, 13AZA1CN010. All right. So all the other ones show solenoid down there. Oh, look, 2 empty holes. The other oddball one I found showed a box down in here with the solenoid. It's not a very good angle, but there's no box and there's no solenoid. So I'm gonna go on a hunt and search for it, and I'll get right back to you. All right, I'm back. So it didn't take long to find, but I sure did think I was gonna end up looking underneath everything, since everybody else was complaining about its location being in a hard to find spot. Well, they listened. It's been moved to a new location, right where you can get to it. That's incredible. Good job, Cub Cadet. All right, I'm gonna get to changing it. You also notice, if you go look, you'll see everybody else's is a different type, different model. This is the what it looks like and where it's at, right next to the starter. Incredible. Another quick side note on things that aren't the same. I just went and I was gonna go ahead and change out the filter because I supposedly had some, and it's a different part than all the others as well. So let me show you here real quick. So here are the filters. These are the ones I had that came with other kits that were supposedly for maintenance. And here's the one that goes to this one. That's the part number there, DL7370505, blah, blah, blah. You can take a snapshot for that. But main difference, of course, width and size of the opening. You can obviously see those are smaller. And on the other one that I got, bigger. Plus, it's a wing nut attached one, so does not match. Okay, I'll get this one cleaned up and order a new one, and I'll go finish up putting in that starter. Alrighty, solenoid's in. I went ahead and cleaned up the filter. You saw I had it out. I definitely will give this a bath here soon and change the oil. It's that time. However, let's give her a test. I got the battery all hooked up, and let's find out. You guys have seen all the videos and have all the same symptoms of it clicking, not starting, and then not starting. So here we go. I know all y'all like the to know what tools were used, and this is everything that was used. 7/16 and 3/8 for the battery, and 10mm for everything else. All right, success. Done. Now to give this thing a bath. Thanks for coming along. Take care.